Let's say the name and sound of each letter. A. The sound is A. B. The sound is B. C. The sound is K. Okay, let's read the words now. A. Sound is A. Ant, apple, axe. B. Sound is B. Bag, ball, banana. C. Sound is K. Candle, cat, cup. Okay, let's learn letters D, E, and F. The sound of D is D. Dog, doll, duck. The sound of E is E. Egg, elephant, elbow. The sound of F is F. Fan, feather, fish. The sound of G is G. Gift, girl, goat. Okay, let's learn letters H, I, J, and K. The sound of H is H. Hen, horse, hut. The sound of I is I. Igloo, ink pot, insect. The sound of J is J. Jacket, jam, joker. The sound of K is K. Kangaroo, kite, kitten. Okay, let's learn letters L, M, N, and O. The sound of L is L. Lamp, lemon, lion. The sound of M is M. Mango, monkey, moon. The sound of N is N. Necklace, nest, nose. The sound of O is O. Octopus, orange, ox. Okay, children, come, let's learn P, Q, R, S. The sound of P is P. Parrot, pen, pot. The sound of Q is Q. Queen, quail, quill. The sound of R is R. Rabbit, rat, rose. The sound of S is S. Sandals, socks, sun. Let's learn T, U, V, and W. The sound of T is T. Tap, tiger, tortoise. The sound of U is umbrella, under, up. The sound of V is V. Van, vase, vulture. The sound of W is W. Wall, watch, watermelon. Let's learn X, Y, and Z. The sound of X is X. Xmas tree, X-ray, box. The sound of Y is Y. Yak, yellow, yolk. The sound of Z is Z. Zebra, zip, zoo.